Have you ever wondered why some individuals seem to possess a unique edge in intelligence? They navigate life's complexities with ease, think innovatively, and seem to unlock doors others don't even see. Today, we're diving deep into the inner workings of Sigma males, those rare and enigmatic men who live their lives exactly how they want to, without hesitation. Sigma males are independent thinkers who operate outside traditional social hierarchies. They value autonomy and self-reliance, forging their own paths without seeking approval or following the crowd. They're the lone wolves of society, confident, adaptable, and often exceptionally intelligent. So, what is it about Sigma males that make them appear so much smarter than most people? Well, in this video, I'll be discussing 8 reasons why Sigma males excel in intelligence compared to others. Number 1. Metacognitive Mastery. Sigma males actively think about how they think, a process known as metacognition. They don't just process information. They examine their own cognitive processes to understand how they learn and make decisions. This self-awareness of their mental strategies allows them to optimize their thinking for better results. They engage in strategic learning by planning, monitoring, and assessing their understanding and performance. Whether mastering a new skill or tackling a complex project, Sigma males set clear objectives, evaluate their progress, and adjust their approaches accordingly. This continuous self-reflection leads to constant refinement of their thinking strategies. They're not satisfied with surface-level understanding. They delve deeper, seeking to enhance their cognitive abilities and eliminate inefficiencies. This is why Sigma males will often pick up a new hobby, and within a week, it will seem as if they have had months of experience. Number 2. Awareness of the Dunning-Krueger effect. Sigma males are keenly aware of cognitive biases that can cloud judgment, most notably the Dunning-Krueger effect, which describes how individuals with limited knowledge or competence tend to overestimate their abilities. They understand that overconfidence without substance can lead to flawed decisions and stagnation. Embracing humility in knowledge, Sigma males acknowledge what they don't know and avoid overestimating their expertise. This honest self-assessment isn't a sign of weakness. It's a testament to their intellectual integrity. By recognizing their limitations, they open doors to genuine learning and personal growth. This awareness drives their relentless pursuit of accuracy. They actively seek out new information, question assumptions, and are willing to adjust their beliefs when presented with compelling evidence. Rather than clinging to misconceptions, they view updating their understanding as a strength. Number 3. Deep work enthusiasts. Sigma males possess an extraordinary ability for intense focus. They engage in what's known as deep work, the capacity to concentrate without distraction on cognitively demanding tasks. In a world full of constant notifications and endless multitasking, they create a mental space where they can dive deep into their work, unlocking levels of productivity others rarely achieve. This intense focus leads to exceptional productivity and high-quality outcomes. By dedicating their full attention to one task at a time, they not only complete tasks more efficiently but also produce superior results. They understand that depth beats breadth when it comes to meaningful accomplishments. Sigma males have mastered the art of avoiding the pitfalls of multitasking. They recognize that juggling multiple tasks simultaneously hampers efficiency and dilutes focus. Instead, they prioritize their efforts, channeling their energy into one objective until it's accomplished before moving on to the next. Number 4. Interdisciplinary thinking and creativity. Sigma males possess a unique ability to connect seemingly unrelated concepts across different fields. They engage in interdisciplinary thinking, drawing knowledge from science, art, philosophy, technology, and more. This holistic approach allows them to see the bigger picture and identify patterns that others might overlook. Their curiosity isn't confined to a single domain. By exploring diverse subjects, they accumulate a wealth of knowledge that fuels innovative ideas. This cross-pollination of concepts leads to creative solutions and breakthroughs that are often ahead of their time. Sigma males aren't just consumers of information, they're synthesizers. They combine insights from various disciplines to tackle complex problems in unique ways. This ability to think outside traditional boundaries sets them apart intellectually. Number 5. Strategic solitude. Sigma males highly value alone time and intentionally seek solitude to think deeply and recharge. This isn't about isolation or antisocial behavior. It's a strategic choice to create space for reflection and personal growth. In these quiet moments, they disconnect from external distractions and delve into their inner world. Solitude allows their minds to wander freely, fostering enhanced creativity and innovative problem-solving. Without the constant noise of external inputs, they can explore ideas deeply, make unique connections, and develop original concepts that others might overlook. This uninterrupted time is often when their most groundbreaking ideas emerge. Through independent reflection, Sigma males cultivate original insights and perspectives. Free from the influence of groupthink or societal pressures, they form opinions based on their own observations and reasoning. This independence of thought strengthens their intellectual capabilities and reinforces their confidence in their ideas. Number 6. Cognitive flexibility and neuroplasticity. Sigma males possess remarkable adaptive thinking. They can shift their thinking strategies effortlessly when faced with new information or challenges. Instead of being stuck in rigid thought patterns, they adjust their approach to suit the situation, allowing them to navigate complexities that might stump others. They embrace change, viewing new situations not as obstacles but as opportunities to learn and grow. Whether it's adopting new technologies, adjusting to different environments, or tackling unforeseen problems, Sigma males remain flexible and open-minded. This positive attitude towards change fuels their personal and intellectual development. At the core of this adaptability is neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form new neural connections. Sigma males actively engage their brains in ways that enhance learning and memory. By exposing themselves to diverse experiences and challenges, they stimulate their neural pathways, keeping their minds sharp and agile. Number 7. Critical thinking and skepticism. Sigma males possess a questioning attitude. They don't accept information at face value. Instead, they scrutinize and analyze before forming conclusions. This relentless curiosity drives them to dig deeper, uncovering layers of understanding that others might miss. They ask the tough questions, challenge assumptions, and are unafraid to venture beyond superficial explanations, employing logical reasoning. Sigma males make decisions based on evidence and rational analysis. They systematically evaluate the facts, consider various perspectives, and apply critical thinking to every situation. Emotions and biases take a backseat to objectivity and reason, allowing them to arrive at well-founded conclusions. They embody healthy skepticism, open-minded yet discerning. While they are receptive to new ideas, they balance this openness with critical evaluation. They understand that not all that glitters is gold, and they carefully assess the validity and reliability of information before embracing it. This equilibrium enables them to adapt their views when justified, while maintaining intellectual integrity. Number 8. Minimal ego and openness to feedback. Sigma males keep their ego in check, allowing for objective self-assessment. They practice ego suspension, meaning they don't let pride or arrogance cloud their judgment. This humility enables them to see themselves clearly, their strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement without the distortions of vanity. They welcome constructive criticism, actively seeking feedback to improve and refine their skills. Instead of perceiving critiques as personal attacks, they view them as valuable insights that contribute to their growth. This openness to input from others demonstrates confidence without egotism, a rare and powerful combination. As lifelong learners, Sigma males remain receptive to new information and diverse perspectives. Their minimal ego makes them more willing to admit when they don't know something and eager to fill those gaps in knowledge. They understand that wisdom comes from recognizing one's limitations and striving to overcome them. If you found these insights helpful, feel free to leave a comment. If you're unsure about what to say, simply write "done" to let us know you watched until the end. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, we invite you to subscribe now and become part of our channel. Thank you for your attention. Until next time.